Well, hello everyone, and I missed you all a lot, and thank you for being here. So let's get to the work again. So what do we have here today is we are having a high impact news at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time, actually at this time, because the market can be really volatile and the spread can be really high at this particular time, which could not be a good uh, favorable condition for a trade. So let's get to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. Price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. The sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So we are currently into this zone only where the price is reacting and moving into the to and fro motion. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the weeklies. Now this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is we can see the price was following an order flow and we are having this equal high at this range. So I'm anticipating the price to at least reach to this point and show a reaction into the either side. Maybe it could be bullish or bearish. If this is disrespected, most likely we are going to be bullish into the market. So currently what do we have is we are having this equal high into the market. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take this high. So let's move to the smaller time frames for a better picture that what is happening into the market. Now this is the daily chart, and what we can see is the price had reacted from this FVG and this order block over here and moved into the upside direction. Confirms that we are really bullish into the market. So what do we have here is we are having this accumulated liquidity. Let me mark it for you. We are having this equal highs into the market. So I'm anticipating the price to at least take this high because it is all having liquidity above it and it is also having liquidity. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to at least reach this range. So let's move to the 4 hours to find a precise area from where the price can possibly react to. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what do we have here is, so it is not much of a confirmation for me, but we can see that we have taken the liquidity of all these equal lows and the price moved into the upside direction. And we have also taken the liquidity of this particular candle and moved into the upside direction. Though I'm not finding a confluence into it. So let's move to the 1 hours. Let's move to the 1 hours. Yeah, over here. So what we can see is the price had left an FVG, also taken liquidity over here, which was into the 4 hours, and moved into the upside direction, breaking this strong high, confirming that we are having a bullish range into the market, that is into the 1 hours. And what do we have here is we are having this FVG. So possibly if the market is going to react from this FVG and move into the upside direction, I'll be happy to trade into the bullish direction. So let's move to the 30 minutes to uh, actually possibly plan our trade for today. So what I'm actually targeting for today is I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia's low and then move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes to find a precise area. So yeah, possibly we are not going to break this range. Have used control, but yeah. So possibly we are not going to break this range and move into the upside direction. So currently I'm anticipating the price to at least take the Asia high, react to 50% of it or this FVG. Most likely this FVG will be the greater confluence and then move into the upside direction towards these equal highs of the higher time frames. So this is pretty much it. Now let's move to the questions round. So for today's question, what do we have in the questions round is in the Forex market, What does the term carry trade refer to? The first option is trading based on economic news releases. Second option is borrowing funds in a currency with a low interest rate and investing in a currency with a high interest rate. The third option is speculating on future direction of a currency pair using technical analysis. So write the answer into the comment and I like and pin the comment which will be the right answer. So thank you for watching and peace.